Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again. This is Basic Econometrics lecture 2, and here is me and there is you. Okay, let's start. Okay, this is the next fast more details explanation of our economic theory or hypothesis. Okay, what does the genius of economics says Keynes that on average, if we increase our income, how much the increase our consumption. Okay, so Keynes said that MPC, marginal propensity to consume, is less than 1. Okay, so this is our statement or theory, and this is the fundamental psychological law we say in economics, that the if on average if increase our income, that must be increase our consumption. But we don't exactly say that how much the increase of their income. This is our main question. And here is Keynes says that this is the marginal propensity to consume is less than 1. So this is our hypothesis or theory. So what we will do after fixing our hypothesis or developing the hypothesis for the whole world, next our task is to come to the specification of model. Okay, sometimes you may say that economics is going to mathematics. Some of the prominent economists answered this very clearly, that economics is not going to mathematics. Actually, traditionally we use mathematics, so we are going to derivative the mathematical model of consumption. Okay, what's this? Why this is the dependent variable says that beta 1 is the our intercept of our curve. We'll see later the curve. This is our intercept, and this is our slope of the coefficient x. Here x is our income, the independent variable or explanatory variable, and y is obviously the dependent variable. So what does this parameter say? Beta 2. Beta 2 say that beta 2, the value of the beta 2's must be between 0 and 1. So this is our parameter. Slope says how sensitive the parameter is. If my income increase $10, how much my consumption increase. If my income increase $100, how much increase my income. This is the slope show the sensitivity of the consumption of our income. Okay, so this is the simply the mathematical model, and this model obviously not same with our econometric model. And this is very important, guys, because this when we will discuss about OLS model, where our aim is to find out the value of the parameter of these two parameter, beta 1 and beta 2. Okay, and here's the one notice, beta 2 measure the MPC, because this is the I have already explained, this is the slope coefficient, and it show the how sensitive the parameter is. This is simply one of the fraction. Suppose if it is the 0.5%, and if increase if my income is 100, then what I will do, I will multiply 100 times 0.5. If I say the MPC is 0.5, that is 1, this give value the 5 and one of my intercept. Okay, so next, this is our MPC. What I'll find the slope since y over since x. Okay, this, or we sometimes say rise this y section, run this section. So how my slope show the sensitivity, and this is the intercept beta 1. What do we see? This is beta 1 here, and this is the beta 2. Okay, so last three methodologies is that how specification of the econometric model. This model is simply the mathematical model, but now we are discuss about econometric model for consumption. Okay, this is the relationship between economic variable generally inexact, because the size is sometimes in addition income or other variable affect consumption function. There are lots of variable that maybe affect to our function. So for example, family income and the family size, age of the member, if family religion, and lots of things can affect in our model. So it's the exact of some influence on consumption. This obviously it has some influence on our consumption. So what we will do, we will find the value, that's we sometime we will need we actually we want like to add with an variable. This is the this term mu. Okay, this mu says that after mu I am including all of this, because I have said that there is some variable that affect in our model, so family income, but we will not include all our things in this model. So this term that we will not discuss, or our error term, is mu. So the variable that we are not including this model, we all of this including here. Okay, even known as the disturbance term or this error term is a non-stochastics, because we are taking a randomly variable. Stochastic variable has well-defined probabilistic properties, and this mu well represented as factor of effect consumption are not taken into account explicitly. If we don't take any value in our model, and but we say we can imagine that this may be effect in our model, so all of term will included in this term mu. So this is very simple. If you don't, if you think that it may affect my model, then simply add here. This is our term, and this is the continue process of this econometric model. Then see the y is obviously linearly modeled to x, because his parameter is 1, this parameter is 1, and but the relationship is not exact, we can't say, because in this term there are lots of variable can affect in our model. So we have already said that we have included all of this here. So we'll see the figure. This is very important, guys, because suppose this is my x1 observation, this is my x2 observation, this is my a lots of nth observation. Now this is my fitted line. Okay, this fitted line, and my variable is here, and this variable here, this is the error term u, because this is the our actual value, and this is our actual value, and this is our estimated value. So this is the difference, this is the overestimate, this is the underestimate. So what we will like to do in the our OLS model, we will minimize this error by scoring this. So this is the minimization problem, we will talk later. So this is our simply this error term, if we this mu. Okay, so what's our aim in next? We'd like to find the numerical value, because in our first lecture we have said that econometrics main aim, one of the aim is to find the numerical value. Beta 1, beta 2, we have need data. So now also the personal consumption in income and GDP data, this is the obviously real data. So this is from a book of Gujarati, and this is the different data from different time period. So our aim is to find out the numerical value from this data. So if we plot this data, we get this, the nice linear curve. This is a line. Okay, so this is the this horizontal show the GDP, and this person show the personal consumption expenditure, and this is the our plotted data. Okay, so next our fifth methodology is to estimate the econometric model. This is the regression analysis. This is the one of the important things, and let's talk about the next video. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe our channel to get the next update, and thanks for your watching.